of Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology, will be participating the 2017 Shell Eco Marathon Asia, which will be held in Singapore. With regard to outcomes-based education, or OBE, the product, the prototype vehicle, is a metric in how we assess not only our engineering students, but also our school. Thank you.
Our design was inspired by a boxfish because of its low drag, and also we incorporated the F1 Formula 1 racing design so that in some certain speeds we are still achieving high efficiency and low drag.
As the team manager, I'm the one that coordinates with the Shell Eco Marathon event organizers. I process the documents required from our team during the registration, during the event, and after the event. I also manage and monitor the overall progress of the design and fabrication of our vehicle. To enable our team to work fast, we divided the tasks in the building of vehicle and work in parallel. With my background in computer engineering, I focus mainly on the electrical systems. Shell requires us to design and build our own electronics for the motor controller. I designed the motor controller with the voltage, current, and energy requirements in mind. We were able to design the controller to be efficient and smaller than the locally, commercially available motor controller used by electric vehicles known in our area as RACAL.
My main role in the team is programming. Since we are using a brushless DC motor, I programmed the motor controller to enable the commutation of the brushless DC motor. I also help in the electrical wirings of the vehicle.
As a team member, I was tasked to design for the drivetrain system of the vehicle. Since we will be using chain and sprocket for our drivetrain system, it is needed for me to calculate the proper speed ratio that is required to transmit sufficient amount of torque and power from electric motor to move the vehicle.
I'm tasked with the design and fabrication of that frame. It should be light in weight but still strong. Hence, we are using aluminum bars.
As the driver of the team, I'll be running the vehicle with an average speed of 30 kilometers per hour. The goal of the marathon is not to achieve the high speed and finish the race first. The main objective of Shell Eco Marathon is to complete the track with the least energy used. So in order to win, it requires proper design and most of all proper mechanism while driving. Thus, the driver should learn the technique in maneuvering the vehicle to minimize power loss. Currently, the team is in need of moral and financial support. While improving the vehicle, the team will be having a lot of expenses, which includes the materials, the fare and allowances of the participants, and the shipment of the vehicle from Iligan to Clark and to Singapore. The team is open for sponsorships not only from Iligan, but from whole Northern Mindanao, since we are the only team representing Northern Mindanao.